see.
Hopefully you love everything in the box. So guys, I feel like I have a cold, so yeah, see with me. I've been feeling like this for some, time now, on and off. So what's in the box, Lloyd? You know, make we see?
No, I'm first supposed to see.
Okay.
Me first supposed to see, and then the audience then see after. So, anyway.
What kind of key that there?
My key.
Your car key?
Yep.
But like you're carrying it here. Why your car key there?
Can't have there. You don't need lock when I go.
But it's supposed to be put up. Why you have it walking around?
I need my key when you go home.
Oh God.
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind.
So hey guys, today as you know, it's a Lloyd birthday. And I don't mind my voice and how my sound. My allergies acting up. So he's going to be opening up the box. I didn't gift wrap the box. I wanted to, but I feel like it's gonna draw too much attention to Lamija. Should I open it for you? Anyways, come put it on the bed so the people them can see what you have in the box.
Oh, sorry, I have this box here.
So, no, you can just repeat now. You have to cut it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to open in goodie box. Why is it so dark in here?
Yeah.
It feels dark. Hold on. Rochester, let me turn off the lights now. Alright, see it there? Look at bright turn on. Alright, with the spotlight on the mobile. So, alright. You ready?
No, yeah, blind me.
Am I blind you?
Yeah.
No, it's a shine pan. What you do?
So this is the part where I get to open this.
Yep.
Let's see.
Hopefully you love everything in the box. So guys, I feel like I have a cold, so yeah, see with me. I've been feeling like this for some, time now, on and off. So what's in the box, Lloyd? You know, make we see?
No, I'm first supposed to see.
Okay.
Me first supposed to see, and then the audience then see after. So, anyway.
What kind of key that there?
My key.
Your car key?
Yep.
But like you're carrying it here. Why your car key there?
Can't have there. You don't need lock when I go.
But it's supposed to be put up. Why you have it walking around?
I need my key when you go home.
Oh God. So what you got, Lloyd?
Right. So, first off,
What's that?
a T heel figure cap.
Oh, what else?
That's one.
Something to drop out of your hat, you know?
Something you double like.
Yeah. And what that then?
This is a T heel figure belt.
Your pants are going to drop off for you?
What?
Remember what you tell me? In line? Remember? You remember?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Put that with the hat.
Why don't you try my belt on, man? See how my belt fit. Why don't you try my belt on? See how it fits.
Try with your pants when I put it on.
Alright. Next up.
I forgot about that idea.
You forgot about this.
Yeah. What's that?
You know, this are your size though, right?
No, that's your size.
No.
Okay, we'll see when you put it on.
Yeah.
We'll see when you put it on. Just put it to the side.
This go fit you.
All right.
Probably can pass it down to you.
Why would you do that? Bought it for you.
I'm gonna pass it down to you. And yeah, this is like
What that?
what's going on around here? What's going on around here, people? One of my favorite brand name also too. Huh?
Me feel sick out to backside. Come on.
Now if you do it fast.
Me not say if you did fast.
Oh.
What that the light?
This comes with that too.
What's that?
This looks like a belt also too.
What kind of belt?
I mean I should take it out of the pack. Take it out of the pack? Take it out of the pack?
Yeah.
Is it take it out?
Yes. What kind of belt that the light?
Oh. My favorite brand name also. Adidas.
Let me see. Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
There's more?
Wow.
Oh my goodness, there's more.
You sure these ain't yours, Stephens? Or are these mine?
Light, if I think you piece up.
Oh, so we can tread into them, right?
Yup.
Probably can tread into them.
The size 9 that day.
Let me see. Let me see if I
And on my size that day. Not too big for my foot.
the size
Push your foot in it and see if it fit you.
let me see.
You know fit you?
It fits. Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to say, don't play with me. Let me see.
So
Okay. Alright.
I guess we can try another one.
Wait, and there's more? There's another box, like.
Hold on. What? Come on, let me give you a kiss.
And you was worrying about what?
You deserve lots of hugs and kisses.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Let me take off that one.
Weird. Really? That's disrespectful, like.
No, yeah.
It is disrespectful. Well, you can't wear that the one they run hotel them and stuff like that, or you wear that the one if you go on the road like tomorrow you can put on that.
I got them have to swap them, right? Am I supposed to swap them?
You whatever. There's more stuff.
There's more?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this one little box hold all of this stuff in there?
Yep, when you could pack.
Hold on.
Okay,
Hold
empty
on.
and no card. These are the shoes that you know.
Right, so
So that's the only thing left.
this one really in this box right here, so no. See,
No, but that box.
people, no hold on there. Let's see.
Oh, take me hear them. I did.
I thought so too.
Yep. Yes.
Mommy can eat her tablet for me has the morning.
Okay, let me get it. Hold on. Hold the door real quick.
One moment, folks.
Is that? We take your tablet. Alright, make sure garbage. Oh no, lock up your room here. Yeah, lock up your door. We come through that door. Sorry for the interruption, guys. We have connecting rooms. All right.
So, a box. A bag within a box.
What's on the back of that? What's on the bag?
Sephora. Who's that name?
What's in the bag, like?
I'm trying to find out. Wait, another box within a bag. Well, we got paper in it too.
What's that, like? What's that?
What? A Versace cologne? Huh?
You lean back, you're breathless.
Come here, let me give you a hug.
I don't want no hug. I want the cologne.
You need my Versace?
Yes.
Nah, my feet just
Oh, you're frightening me.
Yeah, so folks, I must say I took this week off. I take this week off, you know what I mean, to see if I can full joy my birthday with wifey and the kids them, you know what I mean? So all of these right here, I didn't know nothing about them, you know what I mean? But I'm really thankful for them, you know? So it's not the extra large stuff, you know what I mean? It's just the thought that counts. Whether or not it's big or small.
Why you hold up your box like you're still like a commercial? Yeah, try to sell Versace cologne.
Whether or not it's big or small, you know what I mean? I'm always thankful, man. You know? So.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, and this best birthday presents, you know, and the best birthday gifts anyway, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the best birthday gifts like? I'm confused.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm confused right now.
Right.
It's alright.
No, you don't have to be confused.
Whatever is the best for you, the best for you.
Yeah. You don't have to be confused.
Why? That they're the best? So that everything are that are the best?
What everything?
Well, yeah, I'll load it on the bed right, so that's the best for you.
Listen to it.
What was the best? May I wait
You
for
want me
you?
to say what was the best?
Yeah.
You might have to delete thought that.
What? What?
Alright, the best birthday gifts, folks, is me and her just take a nice, hot, long shower.
Okay, too much information.
Yeah, actually, tell her what's the
Okay,
best
go
birthday
ahead,
gift.
go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. All of this running around we'll be doing. Nice, hot, long shower. You know what I mean? Yeah. That was the icing on the cake. But, you know, we enjoy ourselves in a bath.
Alright.
Shower. Not a bath, but a shower. Because
Okay.
we don't take bath. So, definitely.
Alright, people, we're gonna run up on the road real quick and come back. Me need to go get some NyQuil because I don't feel good. Yes, and here my son stuff up and everything, so you know, me not try ruining birthday, so I'm gonna medicate up and bounce back and come again. Alright. So let's go. You ready?
So blessings viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? And give thanks to everybody who, you know, trying to enjoy another time with me.
What? Oh my gosh, the TV. The language. Alright. Okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna run out on the road, New York City road, and come back. Before me leave, guys, I have to show them that view here. Turn off the light, them light. I have to show them the view here. The view here pretty. Why me I tell them if you like me sick or out to rotted. The allergy thing, I know, no joke. And look, the people. This is a view of the city. This is how far up we are. We're on the 26th floor. And look there. We're on the 26th floor, people. Look at that. And it's even prettier from the girls' room. Yes. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna leave out here now. I'm not able to get for go now a good room tour, cause we never know no really settings. Them just do them thing and and we just work with it. Anyways, I'm gonna run pan the road, go get my Nike and come back, cause I feel like my buffet did. So we see ya guys on the flip side. You ready?
To check out.
Which one of them you go wear? Wear this. Come on, let's go. Eh?
I probably can't wear this one.
Yeah, because I want the goatee one, you know, I wear that all over the place. See for me here. Mine one. I'm not forget for sure on mine. Look guys. A Nike. But yeah, I know him one have. But in that dead fee. Him the mad saying him bring any. I mean I tell him saying good, coming out the box fully loaded. But hey, him never know that. Right, Lloyd?
No. I did not know that.
Alright, come on. Alright guys, we're gonna be hitting the road. See ya.